Patterson is a 3-year-old black female, approximately 3 feet tall, weighing 40 pounds. She has brown hair and brown eyes. The abductor, Corey LAMONT Patterson, is described as a black male, approximately 5 foot 6 inches tall, weighing 140 pounds. He has brown shoulder-length dreads and brown eyes. They were last known traveling from 1632 SWAN Drive, Charlotte, North Carolina, in a 2012 Ford Escape silver in color, displaying North Carolina plate Boy David Boy 2527. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call Charlotte-Mecklenburg Police Department immediately at 704-336-7000 or call 911 or *47. Again, this is a North Carolina Amber Alert for child abduction.